Have you ever wondered why some tomatoes in the garden grow faster, stronger, and produce fruits that look like nature has given them a special gift? It's not a coincidence. There is a very simple powder that, when added next to your tomatoes, triggers unbelievable changes. The plant suddenly gains energy, its roots become stronger, its leaves darker and healthier, and when the time for fruit arrives, something happens that many gardeners describe as a real garden magic trick. Tomatoes enter full production, producing more flowers and fruits than you ever expected. And here's the most fascinating part. This ingredient is not an expensive fertilizer or chemical. It's something found in every kitchen, in the form of a fine powder that, once mixed into the soil, brings it to life. So let me ask you, would you like your tomatoes to bear so many fruits that you can even harvest them all? If your answer is yes, stay with me until the end of this video, because that's when I'll reveal which ingredient it is and how to use it correctly to get a harvest that will leave you speechless. And now, the moment of truth. That powder which can change the destiny of your tomatoes is nothing else but dry yeast. Yes, the same one we use to make bread rise works the same way in the soil, but with your plants. It awakens microorganisms, releases vitamins and nutrients, and gives incredible power to your tomatoes to grow and produce like never before. All you need to do is sprinkle a little dry yeast around the roots. Don't overdo it. Just a small amount is enough to bring the soil to life and push your tomatoes into full production. So try this trick in your garden and write in the comments, have you ever used yeast for plants, and what results did you get? If you enjoyed this secret, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your gardening friends, because few people know that ordinary yeast can make such a big difference in the harvest.